Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 8883 Glass. Today we're in Elizabeth, New Jersey. We have just completed this beautiful corner shower with a wall-mounted door, inline panel with a knee wall cutout, and a knee wall panel. So this glass here is 3/8 inch low iron tempered glass with the diamond fusion coating on it, okay, to repel water. So I get the question a lot, what's the difference between low iron and the diamond fusion or the clear shield or the shower guard? Now all the coatings are pretty much work the same as long as they're baked on, just like shower guard. Diamond fusion is baked on, clear shield is also baked on. They're all pretty much the same thing, just a different name. So what I use is the rule of thumb. Ibuprofen is Motrin, Tylenol. It's got all these, I don't know about Tylenol, but it's got brand names for the same product. That's what these coatings are, okay? Some are a little bit better than others, but I haven't seen a real difference. So between the shower guard and the diamond fusion, the clear shield is also very good. And as far as hardware is concerned, this is all in-house hardware. This is Exceptional Glass hardware. The manufacturer of this hardware is the same manufacturer as that humongous conglomerate. We'll call it GRL. The same manufacturer, same material, same metal quality is used here, and it's just the Exceptional name brand, Exceptional Glass name brand. All right, so we've got the 8-inch Squara handle. We have our square H-back door hinge. I'm kind of lost for words here because I'm so excited. We have our solid clamps here. Everything's in matte black. All right. And we have the top over sleeve clamp here. Now, what I like about these top over sleeve clamps are, after the installation, after all the silicone is dried, you could take that bad boy off if you want to provide a more frameless look. It's always recommended to leave it on just in case, but the silicone will do more than enough to hold the panels in place. All right. For this one, we did a single acting door, meaning that shower head is a little low in comparison to the height of the glass. This is a custom enclosure like all of our stuff. So we matched up the window jamb here instead of a grout line, just to bring the window into the skew of things, to tie it into something else, into the bathroom, okay? So we use that as a line of sight. And because of that, we can't make it a double acting door because of that shower head, okay? This is also a reduced width door. Now, the reason it's reduced width is because the center space from that curb to that toilet is approximately 28 inches. So we did a 27-inch wide door instead, just so that we can get a little bit of space in between that toilet and the edge of the glass. Then, here you go. All right. And what else? And I mean, aside from that, that's pretty much it. So, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call at 8883 Glass or visit our website, engineglassdoors.com. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a better spider will crawl on your face.